Hey y'all, I'm back. I am about settled in. I've still got some unpacking to do, and I definitely have my decorating to do, but I've got rooms I gotta paint, so I don't want to decorate my home just yet. With that, I've got a haul here. It's a collective haul. I've got some that's secondhand, one thing from Amazon, several things from Dollar Tree, a handful of things from Tuesday Morning, and a handful from Walmart. Now, before I get started, I just wanted to touch base with some of y'all. I've had a couple people say that they are going to or have mailed packages. One person in particular, I know their package should have been here by now, and it's not. I'm not getting mail I'm still able to check my old address. And so I'm not getting mail from my old address or my new address. Not just packages, nothing. So do me a favor. If you have mailed me a package, please email me or leave me a comment below so that we can touch base. I need to know if there is something I am missing. I've already got to go to the post office and find out. Now, I did read some fine print. This is the first time I've ever done an online address change. Usually I go to the actual post office itself, fill out the paperwork, turn it into them right then and there, and I've never had any delay or issues. This time, I decided to go and just do it online, and I'm like shocked that things didn't start taking place immediately. But I did see that it had read in small fine print that it says it could take 7 to 10 days. Now, maybe I'm not reading right. I don't know, but I'm just kind of shocked at the delay. So do me a favor and be sure to let me know either in the comment or send me, I would prefer an email, to let me know if you have sent me a package already and it should have been here by now. Anyway, with that being said, let's move on. Now this I got because, I found these three once again on Facebook Marketplace. The reason why I got them is because, number one, I love elephants. They're stinking cute. But y'all know I'm an Alabama fan, and I am actually, I know everybody's going to be shocked, when I get in my new room, which I'm in, but it's got some painting and other stuff I got to do. With that, my theme is actually not going to be blue. I know everybody thinks it should be because blue is my favorite color, but it's not. Another color I love is actually red and burgundy. And, I'm also a huge Alabama fan. You already know that. If you watch some of my beginning videos, I love my college football team. And so that's what I'm doing doing my craft room colors in is going to be crimson, gray, black, white. So, and of course, I love my houndstooth. But, of course, you can't do tied without the elephants. And from what I understand, these are all good luck because all the elephant trunks are up. I got these three on Facebook Market for $5 for all three of them. And they're just little ceramic elephants. I have not decided if they're kind of dirty and I need to clean them up. And I'm not sure if it looks like it can come off. So I may take those and paint them. I have not decided. I guess it will depend on how clean it comes. I also got me a jewelry picker. This came from Amazon. I had one, and honestly, it's just not good. And so this came with some little jewels and some extra tips. And, of course, the pretty sparkly bling. So I got that hoping that it will be a lot easier for my smaller items. Like I said, I do have one, but it has not, it don't hold anything, really. It was easier for me to just use tweezers instead. So I'm hoping this one will be better. I hope my nails just get in the way. I'm going to go ahead and move on, and I'm apologizing for the ums and ands. But you know me. Let's do Dollar Tree. I got a couple more bags of shred. Y'all remember if I hauled these before, I said I was done. No, they had one. I went ahead and grabbed it because I didn't have this print. So, and it's the eyeglass pouch. I think these are pretty much just about sold out everywhere. I was shocked that I found even one of them left. And then, storage boxes. I got these 3. And these are just the clear tool storage boxes. I got 4 of them, and these are to do an embellishment swap, if I could talk, this morning. And then I saw these, and these are the first time I saw these. They had one blue one, but I decided to go with purple because I want to send a couple of special people that I've gotten close with. I want to send them some happy Halloween mail. And so I thought the purple would look great for Halloween. I picked these up, and I'm going to use these to make their vampire teeth, and they're small. So I'm actually going to make, hopefully, crossing my fingers, it works out, some embellishments with those. And then I picked up one of these, and even though I love skull candy and I love Halloween and all that kind of stuff, it's great and pretty, but I actually picked this up, and I know y'all seen other people haul it. I didn't pick it up to decorate. I picked it up to use and cut apart for embellishments and stuff like that. So I picked that up, and I got some spider rings and some of the glitter spiders. I saw these when they first came out, and I love them. And I've been holding out so that I could share with y'all. And then I got this little bag of goodies, and I do something with these every year. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm going to do with this once I get my projects done, which, as soon as I finish the video, I'm getting busy. This I also got. I'm going to do something special with this as well. Mainly the reason why I got it was because of the eyeballs. And I'm hoping I'm still recording. I can't tell. So I got that trim because I wanted these eyeballs for a specific reason. And let's see. I got some rubber bands, some clear rubber bands to do some embellishments with and projects with. And then I needed a stylus because sometimes when I have a good short video, I like to just go ahead and just upload it on my, from my phone instead of using my laptop and the editing program. And my fingers are just too big, and my nails are too long, which they definitely need to be cut down. I'm surprised I have not broke one yet. But I just got that, hoping that that will help me with doing the little tiny, I guess, editing on my phone. It's not much. But I also grabbed these jot stickers, like I've mentioned before. Y'all, my store does not carry a lot of these. So anytime I see the 3D stickers, well, I did see another one. I didn't care for it, so I didn't get it. But if I like it, I'm getting it. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, where I'm at. If that's all I get, then that's all I get. And then I got these little mini pen. It says pen stylos. I'm guessing it's just pens. I have not opened them or tried them yet, but I figured I would include these in some Happy Mail or maybe some activity packs. Let's see, I showed you that. Oh, and I got these. They have I was excited about these because I'm going to put these in some embellishment stuff. And so I got 2 of each. I got 2 of the Village accessories with books, the Rest in Peace RIP with the skull and hands, and then a little treasure box. I got 2 of those, and then I got 2. This one has Rest in Peace, the ghost with the pumpkin, and this one looks like a little crow on a book or on a rock with a book. And I hope I'm not glaring on y'all, but it is hard. Now that I'm in the position in a different place, my recording is setting up higher. So even though I struggled before, I'm definitely struggling now to see if I'm still recording. Let's do Walmart. I got this specifically to add a specific embellishment. I found these jumbo confettis. I think I've seen 1 or 2 people haul these. And they had another pack I thought about getting, but budget's tight, so I was like, yeah, I'll just grab that one and work with it. And it has the pumpkins, the ghost, and bats, and I love that they're jumbo. Those would be great for embellishments and memory decks cards. I also got these. Now, honestly, I had wanted all of these. Because I love skulls. I just do. I always have. My husband and I both. So I wanted to get those, and these are just floral picks, and I think they were, 98 cents a piece. So I'm going to deconstruct those, and this one as well. This spider came off, but that's okay because I'm taking them apart anyway, so not that big of a deal. So I'm excited about what I'm going to do with these, y'all. I hope it turns out like what I want in my head. Oh, this is the only thing I got from, I think this, you know what? I forgot. Maybe y'all know. I don't know if I got this from Hobby Lobby or, no, not Hobby Lobby, Michael's or Joann's. Actually, it was Michael's. I take that back, I do. And they only had these two. I wanted to get more, but that was the only two. I just loved these roses. So I got those, and they're made by Bead Landing. And they were 30% off, I believe. And this is all I got from Tuesday Morning. Checking on y'all again. Are you still there? I got the little Jolie's Boutique. The little cream colored pumpkins with designs. I got those. And then I got these. Y'all, I went looking for pads at Michael's, which I didn't care for the one I saw at Michael's. I went Tuesday Morning, no paper pads, Halloween paper pads. I went to Joann's, no paper pads. So it looks like I may have to try to go online and find the Halloween paper pads I wanted for this year. I'm late in doing it just because, and I got these too. And I just thought they were so cute. These all came from, like I said, Tuesday Morning. And I found this. It says soft pliable paper. American decoupage paper. 3 sheets. And I don't have any like a lot of metallic stuff. So I just wanted some pretty shiny stuff. And I believe the yellow sticker, it's 20% off. So I got those $2.49 with 20% off. So I'm gonna see if I can work with that. I love the prints, I love the patterns, and I definitely love the metallic, sheen. And then they actually had these stickers in a box. Me and these ladies, shout out time, because I had met 2 awesome ladies at Tuesday Morning, and we got to talking, and actually I know for a fact one has subscribed, so hi. And I'm pretty sure the other one has too. I just have not seen my notification on it. But with that being said, I want to thank you ladies. I adore talking to y'all and get to know you, and you know exactly who you are. But we were sitting there talking when the worker came and started throwing out boxes. She was, here, dig through these. And I wish I had a bit larger budget at the time. I would have gone crazy. But it's still, they didn't have a lot like Halloween stuff in there. And that's what I was there for. So I got these. It says, Family, Love, Home, Thanks, My Friend. Pretty, Hello, Congrats, Beauty, Smile, and Happy. And I don't have really a lot of words. I have some, but I just don't have a lot. And y'all know me in my, my bling and embellishment and shiny and sparkle and all that kind of stuff. I love it, and I just can't go without it. If I see it, I want it. But with that being said, y'all, y'all still be patient with me, and I want to thank everybody so much for all the well wishes with the move and checking on me and seeing how things are going. You all mean so much to me, and I'm almost ready for my big giveaway. So, y'all be praying I kind of get all this stuff going, because as soon as I hang up, stop recording, then I'm going to try my best to get busy. I'm going to try to get this uploaded today and then get busy on my crafts, because I'd like to get all these out of the way. My obligations and commitments that I've promised, I want to get those done and out. Please do me a favor. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I wish you all the best always.